This is crazy obsessed fetching dog video. I throw the ball. Baldy. Baldy. I see you. You see those evil eyes in the distance? That is Baldy. He will grab the ball and throw it out of the window. Anytime now, Baldy.
Oh, so he is, so he is.
Crazy dog. He is evil. Look at his evil eyes. You drop football, Baldy. You drop it. Red by poo or something weird like that. Crazy obsessed dog.